German with pleasure? It's possible. Today we are talking about the personal pronouns and articles in German. These are personal pronouns in German. Ich, I, written with the lowercase letter. Du, you, it means one person. Er, he. Sie, she. Es, it. Wir, we. Ihr, you means group of people. 2, 3 or more. Sie, you. It's a polite address. For example, elderly people, strangers, or formal address. Sie, they. One more time. Ich, du, er, sie. Es, wir, ihr, sie, sie. But try to learn these personal pronouns in this way. Personalpronomen in German. Ich, du, er, sie, es, wir, ihr, sie, sie. You see, some of them are written in one line. It's because the verbs in this personal pronouns are conjugated in the same way as in English, as you see. I, you, he, she, it, we, you, they. So, one more time. Ich, du, er, sie, es, wir, ihr, sie, sie. Let's move on. Articles. There are two types of articles in English. Indefinite, an, and definite article, the. In German, it is not so boring. The article in German indicates the gender of the noun, and there are masculine, feminine, neuter, and a plural form. Der stands for masculine, article der. Article die stands for feminine. Das for neuter, but the rules of using the article das, neuter gender, are different in German. And die, article die, stands for a plural form of the noun. So, der, die, das, die. For example, we have das Kind, the kid, die Frau, the woman, der Mann, the man, die Autos, the cars. Das Kind, you see the article das, it's neuter gender. So, das Kind is neuter. Die Frau, die, it's singular. Also, die Frau, feminine. Der Mann, masculine. And die Autos, the cars, it's a plural form. So, die. Der, die, das, and die. And pronouns that are used for these articles are der, er, die, sie, das, es, die, sie. For example, the man is old or he is old. Der Mann ist alt. And you can also say er ist alt. It's like in English. The man, he. Der Mann, er. The woman is young. Or she is young. The short form. Die Frau ist jung. Or oder sie ist jung. As you see, it's like in English. It's very easy. The kid is 7 years old. He or she is 7. It's more personal in English. And in German, das Kind ist 7 Jahre alt. Das Kind means that it is a neutral gender. So, es ist 7 Jahre alt. It makes no difference if it's a boy or a girl. Das Kind means es, neutral gender. The cars are white, or they are white. In German, die Autos, it's a plural form, sind weiß. Sie sind weiß. Would you like to try it? Here you see 4 sentences. The videos are new. Die Videos sind neu. The T-shirt is red. Das T-shirt ist rot. The ball is blue. Der Ball ist blau. And the daughter is at home. Die Tochter ist zu Hause. German sounds almost like English. So, put in the proper personal pronoun. Okay. Die Videos or sie sind neu. Das T-Shirt, das. Es ist rot. Der Ball, der, masculine. Ist blau. Die Tochter, the daughter, she, so, sie ist zu Hause. Hope you enjoyed this lesson. Subscribe and learn German with pleasure. Bis zum nächsten Mal. Alles Gute.